Lcm Example 1. Winnie is taking 2 forms of medications to treat her endometriosis symptoms. She's taking an over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medication every 3 days and prescription hormone supplement every 7 days. How many days until Winnie will take both medications on the same day? So the least common multiple, also known as the LCM, is the smallest multiple that is shared by 2 or more numbers. So let's go ahead and look at this example to see what this means. So if we look at multiples of 3, which is what we've done, right? If we see, we can go 3, 6, 9, right? We're just adding 3 to each number. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. We'll stop there. And let's look at multiples of 7. So multiples of 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. We'll stop there. Now if we look at these two multiples, we're looking for the least common multiple, which is like the smallest multiple that's shared between them. So what number is the first number that comes up between these two numbers? So if we look, right, 7 isn't in 3, 14 isn't also in 3, but 21 is right here. So 21 is our least common multiple, right? They're both a multiple of 3 and 7, and it's shared between them both, and it's the least, right, the number that is least among them that's shared. So we would say our least common multiple of 3 and 7 is 21. So that would be our solution. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 2, we're going to use a different method on this one. So we can use mental math by testing the multiples of the larger number. And we ask, can it be divided by the smaller number? So let's look at the example 2 to see what this means. So Selena's taking 2 forms of medications to treat her endometriosis symptoms. She's taking an over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medication every 5 days and a prescription hormone supplement every 10 days. So how many days until Winnie will take both medications on the same day? And so when we're looking at this, right, we see 10 and we see 5. So the larger number is our 10, right? The smaller number is 5. And we ask, can 10 be divided by 5, right? That's what we're asking. And the answer is right, yes. Because 10 divided by 5 is 2. So then our least common multiple would be 10. And why does that make sense, right? Well, anything less than 10, there's no multiple before 10, right? Multiples of 10 start at 10, right? And 5 starts at 5, and then it goes to 10, 15, 20, right? And this can go 10, 20. But our least common multiple, right, the one that's shared between them, is going to be 10. So we know if we can go ahead and divide the larger number by the smaller number, that larger number is going to be our least common multiple between them. So we can say our least common multiple then is 10.